Welcome to R&R. Here, we specialize in precision and hard work. Join R&R today. That's where the bathroom is located. Welcome to MTV Cribs. My name is Dana. I'm going to be showing you the crib we've been working on for the past 1.25 years.
Here's my MTV crib right here.
Hey, what's up? It's Matt Jones. This is MTV Cribs.
All right, we're gonna go up the little, pathway.
Starting here, we can look at the approach of the house as we go in. We got a nice walkway. This is actually vintage from 1920.
Look at our moat, sick. Got this storage container for extra room. If we gotta store anything, we got a room right here.
It was established actually in the year 1928, we do believe.
Here's our scaffolding. Because we always have parties that raise the roof, so we need a way to get it back on. You know what I mean?
But this is probably one of the best concrete paths you'll find in the entire city of St. Helens, besides from the town hall. We got the outside of the house. We got a lot of work going on with the upper area here. You see the cam lights getting put in. We'll move inside, which is where the whole operation starts.
Got a nice brand new door, new windows.
This is where our first year of R&R took place, right here. When we first came in here, there were walls and everything, gnarly asbestos, lead paint everywhere. It was pretty sick.
Just framed up all of this, put in these new joists. Sick. Got a hardwood floor. No toilet, because, can't have anyone in here ruining the place.
Essentially what we did is we ripped out all of those interior walls. We ended up redoing actually all the walls. We had contractors come in, take out the asbestos and lead paint, stuff like that we couldn't work on because we're not certified. We don't have proper protection equipment and whatnot. After that, we started taking up the floor and things like that. There was a big opening at the back of the house for a little while. That was pretty cool. We had that there. It was a good hazard. We lost a few. Other than that, after that happened, we started framing the interior walls and the rafters up here. Now we call this. Never mind what we call it, but this is an alleyway. We actually modified the existing window areas for the new windows, which was pretty sick. We can take you downstairs to the dungeon. We have the rocks back here. The rocks go all the way in. This house was basically like put on the rocks, drilled in, laid in there, boom. This used to be a little kid's bedroom. As you got the stickers everywhere. Pretty great stuff. And now we're gonna go up to the roof, where we've been doing a lot of work. What you're seeing on the roof is completely new. We got up here, super bad. We ripped all that stuff off, all the old shingles and stuff like that. And then there was sheets under it, which the whatchamacallit we're resting on, as well as the tar paper and whatnot. But it was pretty insufficient, so what we ended up doing was ripping all that off, putting new plywood down, putting new like a hydro barrier down, and then the shingles went on top of that. Join on, guys. Great program. I'll tell you what.